Did you know that nearly 1 in 4 people struggle with bad breath, also known as halitosis? Yeah, it's a lot more common than you think. Stick around because today, we're diving into some quick and effective hacks to fix bad breath fast. Alright, let's get real for a second. Bad breath is something we all deal with at some point, right? Whether it's after that garlic bread or just waking up in the morning, it can sneak up on you. And guess what? It can be caused by anything from poor dental hygiene to certain foods or even just dry mouth. But don't worry, I've got your back. I'm about to share 10 awesome hacks to help you freshen up your breath in no time. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the embarrassment that comes with bad breath. You know the feeling when you're chatting with someone, and you suddenly catch a whiff of your own breath? Yikes! It's enough to make you want to crawl under a rock. Bad breath can lead to awkward social situations, and nobody wants to be that person at the party. This is why having some quick solutions handy is super important. Whether you're heading into a meeting, going on a date, or just hanging out with friends, you want to feel confident and fresh. So, let's jump into those hacks that can save you from the breath blunders. Alright, here we go. Let's dive into the 10 hacks to fix bad breath fast. Don't worry, here's the solution. Do you know? This mineral in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues, from gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural, soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth, after brushing your teeth, to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.